we have 1,040 cover letters. And we've got 3,000 coupons. So they're going to do a mailing. And in each envelope, there will be one cover letter and 2 coupons. So how many coupons are used if each envelope gets 2 coupons? Okay, well, there's going to be 1,040 envelopes, okay? That's one for each cover letter. If I multiply that by 2, I get 2,080 coupons will be used. That's going to put 2 in each envelope. So how many coupons will be left over? That would be 3,000 minus 2,080. So I subtracted 0 from 0, gave me a 0. And then I've got to borrow because you can't take 8 from 0. And I had to come way over here and turn that into a 2. And then that's going to turn into a 10. But I've got to borrow, so it's going to turn into a 9. And then that digit right there is going to be a 10. So now subtract 8 from 10, and you get 2. And bring down this 0 from 9 gives me 9. So your answer is A.